Welcome to
Granny's sewing room.
Welcome to Granny's sewing room.
Yay! Good job. Okay.
All right, so we're gonna open.
This is the Blizzard baby opening her quilt.
Ready? Look at it. Oh, that is so much
Look
prettier.
at
in
this shirt.
person.
Hey, look at this shirt. Hey, look at this little shirt.
Look,
Yes.
Abby, come look at Mommy's new blanket Aunt Sherry made.
It ain't a blanket.
It's a quilt.
There you go.
It's a quill blanket.
It
It's
says,
a what?
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not onto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he shall direct your path. Proverbs 3:5-6.
Woohoo! And see the
Yeah.
other side, that's where you put your head. And on the bottom of it, look at the bottom of it.
Hey, I want to do
It says to Tally from Aunt Sherry, made with love, 2020.
you draw.
Well, I got it done in 2020, just not quilted.
But this is a little book. This is a book.
Beginning of March. You like? You like. You like it, honey? We going to snuggle with it tonight?
Yes. Don't run from them. You're being scared of them. I can't get you in the camera when you keep running. Do you want your Mima to see this? They don't. They're not going to get you. They want the food.
Oh, the first chicken's coming to me. The first chicken knows I have some. Uh-oh.
Here, Abby, let Mommy and Letty give them some. Like this, watch.
Woohoo! Way to go, Mommy.
You gotta give them some room so they can peck it up.
Hey, Abby, put the food up on top of that count and pick a chicken up.
Get a chicken.
Pick one up so I can
Do a
watch.
chicken. Put it down.
Turn around. I can't see your face.
Grab it the right way. Under the wings. Under the wings.
Grab it again. So I can see your face when you grab it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Woohoo!
I'll name her Nina.
Her name is Ginger.
Oh, I'll name her Ginger.
Yeah, that's Ginger. All right.
I want to feed him still.
They've been fed already.
It's all gone?
It's all gone.
Now, don't need to lay eggs in there first.
Not yet.
No, they already laid their eggs today. That's for my new chickens I'm getting. That's for my baby chickens.
Like that?
Yeah, I think I'm sending him to
Ginger.
Tractor Supply to start
Tuesday
the
they come in.
Tuesday? I'm
Those
sending him
right
to
there.
Tractor
I hear